All right, what a crazy week we just had, but let's get into it and unpack it. So we saw the Solana Foundation, they announced Stride and Scion. These are two steps to strengthen the security around DeFi in general. And I think this comes, as a result of the drift exploit. Around 300 million has been, extracted from the ecosystem, bridged out. Unfortunate events, but they definitely bolster the security and bring this to our attention. We need to improve. So a W on that end. But let's see what else we got. All right, we got Securitized. They partnered with the Currency Group and they're tokenizing their stocks and bringing them on chain. Another step towards traditional finance finding their way on chain through Solana. All right, so those trading cards, those are Pokemon cards. Over $200 million pouring in on chain on Solana, showing real user demand. And it's, I don't think it's going away. I think this will grow and scale from here. All right, we saw BitGet. They announced IPO style token launches, opening more opportunities for early investors on Solana. And we saw Titan Exchange. They announced this new routing system that's supposedly going to give you the best pricing possible through their tools. We'll see how that turns out. It's supposed to be a game changer. We'll see how it plays out. All right, we got Coliseum. They kicked off the Frontier Hackathon with multi-million dollars in the venture pool. This is going to set the next stage for the next wave of apps that we see on Solana. Again, we see more Solana integrations every single day. MetaMask allowing you to spend your USDC on Solana through their card. Another W for Solana. I've talked about stablecoins time and time again, but the reason is it brings more liquidity into the ecosystem, and Circle just opened up cross-chain exchanges into Solana. Again, another W in the books for Solana. And DeFi continues to evolve. We saw Perenna add proof of reserve with zero knowledge verification for more transparency from Perenna. And we also saw that Loopscale added an opportunity for your positions to be used as collateral in DeFi. And for the builder side of things, we saw that Super Team introduced a toolkit with over 150 different tools that you're able to use and integrate. We also saw Alchemy come into the picture with, I think it's $20 million in infrastructure funding. So we're seeing this just completely grow and scale at an impressive rate. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool as well. .sol, SNS, you guys might have heard of them. They've actually expanded and opened up the opportunity for your .sol domain to become a website. So if you have, like myself, xsms.sol, you would just put in .site and it becomes an active website that you can customize, build on, all of that kind of fun stuff. So check it out. All right, so last week alone, we saw developer tools being introduced. We saw RWAs, more integrations coming into play, more publicly traded companies tokenizing their assets on Solana. We see more people using it for the payment rails. We see more updates with AI. We see more security being enabled. It's not hype. It's a real system being built in real time that you're able to partake and be a part of. You can actually grow and build in this. They're constantly looking for more developers, more people with skills that can grow the ecosystem in a positive way. And that's what we do here with Solana Made Simple, guys. I'm SMS. This is Solana Made Simple, guys. Follow, subscribe, and make sure you like this video and stay tuned for more.